Hello friends, welcome back to my Education India YouTube channel. In this video, I will present a new notification on the recruitment for teaching post in Central University of Kerala. Here we will see some important deadlines for the application. Then we will see the subject-wise vacancy, salary, some essential qualifications, general instructions, mode of application, payment process, and submission guidelines. I will also provide a link to navigate the university website. So let's begin now. So this is the employment notification, and this notification has been released on the date of 25th October 2021. And here are some important deadlines. The date of commencement of online application is 5th November 2021. The last date of receipt of online application is 20th December till 5 p.m. The last date of receipt of hard copy of application along with all enclosures is 31st December till 5 p.m. Then we'll see the category wise vacancy. Let's come to the next page. This is the category wise details of vacancy post. So total 15 posts are there for professor, then 29 posts is for associate professor, and 27 posts are for assistant professor, and total we can see 71 posts. And here are some subjects. Like for professor, the departments like commerce and international business, English and comparative literature, then computer science, economics, education, then linguistic, management studies, mathematics. These are the departments. Total 15 departments have been released their post. And for associate professors, departments are chemistry, commerce and international business. Commerce and international business, this is for unreserved category, this is for OBC. You can check all these details. Then linguistics is there, law is there, Hindi. And for the post of assistant professors, total 24 departments have been released their vacancy post, and among them physics, computer science, education, English, then we have management studies, in that way. And now we'll see the pay scale. For professor, entry pay is 1,44,200. For associate professor, the entry fee or payment is 1,31,400, and for assistant professor 57,700. This is as per the UGC guidelines. Essential qualification is the same like UGC regulation 2018, that you need to have masters with NET, JRF or SET or SLET. And here are some relaxation. 5% relaxation is there for masters student, those who have OBC category or differently able students. For them 5% is relax is there for masters. And those students who have PhD degree before 19th September 1991, they will also get relaxation in their master's score. In this notification, PhD is not mandatory, but I must say, like if you have PhD degree, then you will get 30 marks in API score. And after filling the form, you need to send hard copy, and this is the address: to the recruitment cell, Central University of Kerala, Tejaswini Hill, and this is the pin code. So in the envelope, you have to write, top on the envelope you have to write this address, and this is the website link. So now we have like 6 pages notification. You can go one by one and you can check in details the requirements. And Let's see their website. How will you visit the website? So we'll write Central University of Kerala. So we'll visit their main official website. So this is their website, and we'll close this one, and you have to click here career opportunities. Then notification will come. The first notification for teaching post, dated 25th October 2021. If you click here, then it will lead to another page. So download the notification. It will come in Google Drive. So you can download the notification and you can see one by one. Detailed notification are here. You can visit and you can see. And after going through the notification, you have to apply here. And if you haven't applied before, like this is the re-notification. This notification already, you can see employment re-notification. That means this notification earlier released. Like this section, if you read, and this notification had been released on 14th June 2019, then 20th December 2019, then 5th July 2020. And here one thing you have to note that if you have applied already, that means all candidates who have submitted application for this post against earlier notification should resubmit application through online mode. That means you have to apply again. However, they need not remit the application fee if they have already paid against the previous notification to the same post. So in earlier, if you have paid, so no need to pay again. And if you have already applied, but you have to apply this again. So this is the, yeah, if you haven't applied, so you have to click here new candidate registration. And as you have to apply for the teaching post, this is the teaching candidate registration, this is for non-teaching candidate registration. So if you click here, then you have to fill all the details for which post you are applying. If you are applying for assistant professor, then click here. If you are applying for associate professor, or if you are applying for professor, you have to click. Then you have to put your name of the post, then your name in block letter, contact number, date of birth. Here in date of birth, you must put your date of birth that is mentioned in 10th admit card. Then age as per the last date of application. Here you have to put here the category, which category you belong. Then email ID, valid email ID, and you have to create your password. And after putting the captcha, you have to register. Then your registration will come. When you have registered already, then you click again and you put your ID, then password. If you log in here, it will come, the all a detailed form will come. Then you have to go one by one. You have to fill the academic details, then your personal details, then research details, the publication, I mean. Then you have to fill the teaching experience. All these details you have to fill. So this is from my side a short video on this notification. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any query, let me know. And I would request you to visit their website and download the notification, and you read carefully before applying for the post. Thank you so much for watching the video.